Hernandez, and done in style by Onel Hernandez.
There's your stats now.
Oh.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's not amazing, but it's okay. The defense is ridiculous bad. Like, I don't know, I worked last year when I was on the pitch. I try to work always on the defense, but this thing is FIFA. But I don't like on that as well. He's a German. I have a Cuban passport as well, and I see me more to play for my Cuban national team instead of the German. That's why FIFA has to change that. My other card, that is gold. I don't want a silver card, I want a gold one.
Can you remember what your pace was last season on FIFA 20?
No, I can't.
It's 85, so you've gone down.
Yeah.
That's
I don't
rubbish.
know. What is
Dribbling was 77.
What? 77 the change? Okay, yeah, we have to accept it.
Okay, so let's ask you a little bit about your teammates at Norwich City. Who has got the best pace in the team on FIFA 21?
I think that's easy. That's Pepe. We say Pepe to him because his name Simislav Placheta, or I don't even know if I said it right. It's sometimes a little bit difficult for me, so I have to say it. That's why we say always to him Pepe, 2 P's.
Who's got the best shooting?
The best shooting maybe Vrančić? Mario Vrančić? No? Who?
Timo.
Timo Pukki. Oh yeah, okay, yeah.
Striker.
Yes, a striker, yeah. Okay.
Best passing?
Emi, buen dia? Yeah, 100%. Emi, 100%. It's both, and always then Pukki. That's how it is.
Best at dribbling?
Emi? Yeah, that's how much he has? Yeah,
81
yeah.
dribbling, yeah.
My goodness.
Next one, who's got the best defending? There's 2 players.
Ben and we have only 3. And Grant or Zimbo? I would say Grant.
Zimbo.
Oh man!
The last one, physical. Who's the most physical player in FIFA 21?
And our team, the strongest, I would say Zimbo as well, maybe?
Striker.
Jordan. Oh
Jordan
yeah,
Hudel.
John. John is a beast, yeah, definitely John. Oh, okay. Not bad, that's good.